Today I'll be presenting a seminar about monkeys, apes, and chimpanzees. The topics we'll be talking about today contain, first we're going to be talking about apes, then second is going to be chimpanzees, then apes, and at the last will be some free times for you guys to ask any questions if you have, of course. Let's start with number one, apes. So our first question, this is a picture of an ape. They are actually very heavy, and as we can see, they're quite big. So our first question is, what classifies an ape? What can we do to recognize them? So first, they have large, heavy bodies in an upright position. They have no tail, and they have short, broad noses, and also, I forgot my point. And also, they have a shoulder joint to swing through trees easily. And last but not least, they're actually very, very intelligent, and they have a big brain to body ratio. Then let's go on to our second question. Is ape a monkey? Actually, no. Apes are not monkeys. They're primates. However, they have a lot of differences. One of the biggest differences is that apes do not have a tail while monkeys do. Then let's go on to our third question. What are two species of apes? Apes are found to have many, many species. So one of the two of them is gorilla and chimpanzees. So let's go on to chimpanzees now. Our second topic is chimpanzees. So chimpanzees, like how I said, are the part of a great ape species. This is a picture of them. And our first question for chimpanzees is, where do they live? This is a map, and as detected, they live in the central of Africa. Then let's go on to their lifespan and their mass. So the mass of a male chimpanzee is 40 to 60 kilograms, while for women it's 32 to 47 kilograms. Their lifespan for a male chimpanzee is 32 years, while for a woman it's 39 years. Now let's go on to monkeys. This is a picture of a monkey. So our first question is, what are the two main types of monkeys? Monkeys are found to have 267 different types of species, so they are divided into two main types. Old world monkeys and new world monkeys. Old world monkeys live on the map in Africa and Asia, while New World monkeys on the map live in Central and South of America. Then, what is the difference between Old World monkeys and New World monkeys? Old World monkeys are found to have shorter tails and have a larger body. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ladia Shala. I'm in grade 6B. Today I'll do a presentation about wood. First, what is wood? Wood is a porous and fibrous structural tissue found in stems and roots of trees and other woody plants. Fun fact about wood is that wood has been used for thousands of years for both fuel and as a construction material. Now to our second question. Where can you usually find wood? They are mostly found in forests and rainforests. Because rainforests are always hot, moist, and humid. Rainforest has a lot of plants and animals because of the nice weather there, and it rains a lot. That's why it's called rainforest. Now, wood is classified into two parts. Wood classified into hardwood and softwood. Now I'll talk about hardwood. Hardwood is a wood from angiosperm trees. These are usually found in tropical forests, like as you can see in the photos. Characteristics of hardwood is that they are more complex structure than softwood, dark in color, expensive and slower growth rate, higher density, heavy in weight, more fire resistant than softwood, strong in compression and tension. Now, examples of hardwood, we have mahogany, cherry, maple, rubber wood, and oak. Now let's go on to the second type of wood, that is softwood. Softwood is from gymnosperm trees such as conifers. As you can see, this is the wood and this is the tree. Characteristics of softwood is that they are cheap comparative to hardwood, faster rate of growth, lower density, softer than hardwood, light in color, light in weight, poor fire resistant, and strength in tension but weak in shear.
Hi, my name is Kaja, and today I'm going to talk about famous scientists. First, we're going to talk about Friedrich Mohs. He was a geologist. He studied different minerals to see how hard they were. And then he invented the Mohs scale of hardness. On this new scale, mineral was diamond. Mohs gave it a perfect 10 out of 10 points. And then we have Maria Mitchell. Maria Mitchell was the first female astronomer in the United States. She learned astronomy from her father in 1847. Mitchell saw a new comet with Cope. She received a gold medal prize from the king of Denmark. Then we're going to talk about Albert Einstein.
Hello guys, my name is Sana Adil and today I'm going to be talking about plants. Okay, right now we have mosses. Mosses is a very small green or yellow plant that grows especially in wet earth and on rocks and walls, tree and trunks. Second, mosses doesn't have any roots. Third, mosses can live for 19 years and even without water. Fourth, mosses are about 45 million years old. Let's go on to the second slide. Fern. We have fern. You can see. Fern grows taller than mosses. Second, they grow in forests. And then ferns have got long leaves called fronds. Ferns are similar to mosses because they produce spores. Third, conifers. Conifers are bigger than ferns. And second, they've got thin leaves called needles. Conifers are different from ferns and mosses.
Hi, my name is Didat. I'm grade 6B, and today I would like to talk about leaders. A leader is the one in charge, the person who convinces other people to follow. For example, like this. They're swimming, and you could be leaders at swimming still. A great leader inspires confidence in older people and moves them to action. For example, like this picture, they have each and like she's playing football and he's playing tennis and he's riding a bike. They're all good at something, so they could, be a leader. Okay, someone who can see how things can be important, and who realize people to move, and realize people moves towards and better visions. You can see like this. He's their leader, and you gotta follow them and listen to him. We have 4 rules for being a leader. First, we have smart. Second, confident, and third, compassion, and fourth is respect. So you can see here, they're playing Kung Fu, and their leader is teaching them how to do it. Because if they didn't have a leader, they wouldn't learn. So you gotta be at least healthy to be a leader. All these things, and you gotta know what, for example, the children's, they can't do these things. You can't just force them to do it. Yeah. Okay, and winning it's not about, you know, it's just they tried their best to win.